Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about XRP. My friends, this update, and especially my friends, this update is very urgent for all XRP holders. My friends, absolutely never miss any second of this video. And this video I'm going to discuss the tomorrow price prediction of the XRP Ripple coin. So before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos about XRP Ripple coin. Let's start this video. So my friends, first of all, let's see the currently latest price of the XRP in the market. 0.709187 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the XRP Ripple coin. And furthermore, my friends, that is just the last 2 hours update of the XRP Ripple coin. And you can see here that positive 1.1% the price increase. Positive, my friends, the changes of the XRP price is positive, so that means that price is in the pumping mode. And you can see the 0.71. Just look here, my friends, 0.71, and here 0.70. So this means that the fallings of the XRP are starts. Now you can see, my friends, the price falls down from here. Now my friends, due to these changes, my friends, it's time to wake up in the market. It's time to alert. My friends, if the XRP falls down if the XRP price falls continuously 4 or 3 hours, so I recommend for everybody, for every XRP holders, that sell XRP coin before you lose your money in XRP. Sell now. If the price falls down for the upcoming 4 hours, that's my recommendation for everybody. And also remember that, my friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. I only advise all of you, my friends. And now, my friends, be alert in a cryptocurrencies market. Now at this time there is a possibility that the price taken a very great dumps, so wake up in the market, my friends. Anyways, hope you like this video. I will try to give you a latest update about XRP Ripple coin, so please also subscribe ABS Tech channel and also like this video. Thanks for watching.